The Australian of the Year has called for the federal mental health budget to be trebled in the next decade. The inaugural Mental Health Summit has brought together government and community representatives with an aim to improving services.
Esther Ritchie is well aware of the flaws in the mental health system. She's been hospitalised 10 times and spent more than a year in a mental health ward. She told government and community representatives at a summit in Brisbane that it took 11 years before she was diagnosed with bipolar disorder.
If I could have stayed out of hospital, then I actually believe I would have recovered a lot quicker.
And that is one of the key messages from today's think tank: early intervention and more money.
With the best will in the world, sometimes the things we're doing aren't getting it right, and we have to accept the need to jettison some of our old ways of doing things and take on new ways.
Australian of the Year Patrick McGorry is calling for the federal mental health budget to grow from $5 billion to $15 billion in the next 10 years.
It's showing that we are starting to direct the sort of attention to the issue that is needed. But what we need is major investment to scale up services and make them 21st century.
He wants a one-stop shop of support and information for young people called Headspace, introduced around the country. Currently, only 30 centres exist.
What I've learnt today from listening to Patrick McGorry is that we need to work with the Commonwealth Government to see how we can complement each other's services.
The federal government has committed to open 30 more Headspace offices, but Mr McGorry says 60 more are needed in the short term and 300 in 10 years' time. Inya Bjornsson, ABC News, Brisbane.